Muscle memory. Come in, you've lost a lot of curve in the neck. Let's say we do everything we're doing in office, what you're doing at home to help get that curve back in, but we don't want it to go back. That's what muscle memory is. So the vibration plate that we're standing on here does what's called neuromuscular reeducation that holds everything in place. So if the main reason that someone's coming in is they've lost a lot of curve in the neck, they'll put this around the neck, and based off the x-rays, we figure out the degrees, the angles, if the shoulders are back, if the shoulders are forward. And all you do is you push out and you retract that head back and just go back and forth, which is going to get that curve back into the neck. When you lose the curve, the weight's on the discs and on the nerves, we cannot have that. We need it to be on the joints in the back. So most patients are going to be using this as well to help get that curve back into their neck.